In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink or remove credit card account from QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop a connected credit card from downloading new transactions while keeping your existing data intact. Before we begin, a quick note on what unlinking does. Disconnecting a credit card in QuickBooks stops the bank feed from bringing in new transactions. It does not delete the account from your books, and it does not remove any transactions that have already been added or reconciled. This is helpful if you're switching banks, troubleshooting connection issues, or moving to manual entry without losing your history. Start by going to QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing into your company. Once you're on the home page, look to the left menu and select Accounting. This is where all of your accounts live and where we can control their settings. Next, choose Chart of Accounts. You'll see a list of all your accounts, including bank and credit card accounts. Find the credit card you want to disconnect. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by checking the account name and, if shown, the last 4 digits. If you have a long list, use the search bar to quickly locate it. When you've identified the correct account, open its options and click Edit. This opens the account's details so you can adjust its connection settings. In the Edit window, look for the option labeled Disconnect this account. In some versions, you may see it described as Disconnect this account on Save. Select that option. Read the note on the screen so you understand that this will stop any new downloads from the bank feed going forward. Confirm any prompts to finish disconnecting. After you disconnect, the account remains in your chart of accounts with its balance and all historical transactions. New transactions will no longer appear in the For Review section, and any bank rules tied to that feed won't run for this account. You can still reconcile the account and report on it as usual. If you ever need to reconnect later, you can go to the banking connection workflow and link the institution again, pointing it back to this same account. A few tips to keep things tidy. It's a good idea to review and add or exclude any pending transactions in For Review before disconnecting, and make sure your most recent statement is reconciled. If you reconnect in the future, set the download start date to the day after your last reconciliation to avoid duplicates. That's it. You've successfully unlinked a credit card in QuickBooks while preserving your accounting history.